Hey guys, how are you? Andy Suku, founder and CEO of Y2K Credit Solutions. Today's video is going to be a little different. It's not an educational video. Maybe it's kind of, maybe who knows. We'll see at the end of the video how you guys determine this information I'm about to give you guys. So today we're going to talk about the perks of having good credit and prime credit card. Now, we're going to start off with an Apple product. Let's talk about an Apple product. You guys know that if you buy an Apple Watch or you buy the latest watch, latest iPhone, you guys put insurance on it, right? To your cell phone provider. So let's say you have Verizon, you pay the $10, $15 a month for insurance, $20 to have coverage on your product in case if it gets damaged. Let's say you have the Apple Watch on, you go into the pool and it gets short out, or your phone is in your pocket, you go into the pool, you don't realize and it gets short out. You go to Apple, or you call your cell phone provider, and if you have insurance, they send you a new phone or a refurbished phone. Most of the time it's a refurbished phone they send you. Or they send you a new watch, Apple Watch, or they send you a refurbished Apple Watch. Now, you're paying $10 to $15, $20 a month on insurance, additional to your monthly bill with your cell phone provider. Now, did you know if you have American Express Platinum, the Sam's Club credit card, Costco credit card, some of your prime credit cards under the Visa logo, they offer you insurance, especially American Express Platinum? Yeah, they do. And it's free. So you're already paying for it in the membership that you have. So here's a way of saving yourself some money monthly on your bill. If you have cell phone service and you have the American Express Platinum card, get into the habit of paying your cell phone bill every month with your credit card. Okay? With that same credit card every month, pay the bill. Now, let's say you had an Apple Watch, it got damaged, and you go to the Apple Store or Verizon or your cell phone company, call them, oh, your warranty is over. What do you do now? Your warranty is over. Now you got to pay out of pocket for it, right? That's fine. What you really would do is go to the Apple Store, the Verizon store, wherever your cell phone provider is. I have Verizon, so I'm always talking about Verizon. Purchase your new phone. Then, with your American Express credit card, or one of the cards I mentioned earlier, once you purchase the phone, you're going to call a credit card company, and you're going to submit a claim. You're going to submit the receipt. Now, they're going to reimburse you because those cards have insurance for those products because you're paying the bill every month. Now, not all products are insured under your credit card. You have to call them to find out what's insured, but I know for sure, Apple products are insured. Call them. You purchase a new phone or your product, phone, watch, whatever you purchase with your credit card. You then call American Express, open a claim. You send the receipt with the claim, and American Express will reimburse you. So now you're not paying $15, $20 on your cell phone bill for insurance. And two, most of these companies send you a refurbished phone. They never send you a brand new phone. This way, you got a brand new phone, never used, brand new out the box, and you're getting reimbursed by your credit card company. That's food for thought. So the video really was just an educational tip, but also to let you guys know the perks of having good credit score, and prime credit cards. There's a lot of perks besides this. I mean, the travel points is insane. The hotel points are insane. There's so many perks that these credit card companies offer you. But in order to have these credit cards, you have to have good credit. So just want to drop that for you guys. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you've ever been in that situation and you actually implemented this process before I even start talking about it. So drop a comment below. Talk to you guys soon. Have a good day.